Hello everyone, and welcome to Sun City Library's Teen Art Program. My name is Jazz McCulley, and I want to thank you so much for joining us and welcoming the spring season. After introductions, we will first ask for parental guidance, then go over provided materials, and then we follow along to the tutorial, which you can pause at any time. After the tutorial is finished, there will be contact information available. Parental guidance is not necessarily needed for this craft. However, we do suggest in letting them join in on all the fun. Here are all the supplies provided in each take-home kit. So let's go ahead and start our craft. Here are all the main supplies provided in the kits. I decided to decorate my pot. This is completely optional, but if you choose to do so, I used acrylic paints you can find at any craft store for $1 and simple varnish found at any hardware store. Here I am showing that whenever potting a succulent clipping, you must make sure the clipping has a scab over the cut area. This is very important because if this was an opening without a scab, the succulent would drink too much water and be overhydrated. Make sure to be potting in an area that can get a little dirty. I put down newspapers just in case I spill. I decided to place my pot in a paper bowl as well. At this point, I scoop out some soil from my baggie and place it in the pot. I don't fill it up all the way. After I put my desired amount of soil, I use a pencil to carve out a hole. My succulent was cut in a way where the stem was about 1 inch long, so I make the hole just as long. If you find your succulent stem doesn't seem to be very long for your liking, you can gingerly pluck some of the leaves from the bottom. You can save these leaves to plant as well. I place my succulent in the hole and make sure it's nice and snuggly. Once it seems secure, I water the soil until it drips out from the bottom hole. The water must be able to drip out. This is very important as well. The pots provided all have holes in them, but if you buy your own for succulents, make sure there is some type of drainage. I plan to place my pot outside where when it drains, it won't be a mess. Here is the final product. I hope you got a chance to take a kit home and enjoyed following along to the program. If you enjoyed this month's program, you can browse our online catalogs for materials like these. You can find our website at rivlib.net. Again, rivlib.net. Here is Sun City Library's contact information and hours. Once again, thank you so much for joining us here at Sun City Library. We hope you stay safe and have a great day. Bye.